Well, hey guys, Captain Cook here. So glad you can join me. And what we're doing today, we're making. Now, guys, I've got a habit of going through spoons, right? Uh, I've gone through 3 already this year, getting them hung up on rocks and stuff. And man, that mess gets expensive. So what I'm doing today, we're gonna make a homemade spoon. So I have purchased some of these. They call them dessert spoons, baby spoons, just a gold spoon, And I have taken my Dremel and I have cut this part off. So what we're going to do, very simple. We're going to attach a swivel to one end to attach our line to, or leader. And on the other end, we're going to put another split ring and attach a treble hook. Now I'm also going to put a little red, just a little red, looks like a teardrop. And I found that these work really well. So we're going to attempt today to make us a nice little spoon. So let's get started. Got it cut off. I'm not going to throw that little piece away, because I'm going to use that for something. So we'll get that out of the way. We'll get that one out of the way. So now we've got our little spoon here. And what we're going to do now is we're going to drill some holes in it. And let me get my block of wood. Let me get my block of wood over here. There it goes. Alright, so here's my little block of wood. Now what we're going to do, we're going to get us some vice grips, and we're also going to get a little piece of this so I can clamp this and not scratch it all up. So first thing we're going to do, this end is actually going to be the hook end. So we'll just wrap that around it, and we're going to clamp it off just like so. Reach right in there, clamp her right down. Now what we're going to start out with is a 1/16 inch bit for a pilot hole. This is stainless steel. I'm sure it's not the best stainless in the world. And what we're going to do is we're going to come right in here, and we're just going off the cuff, right? That looks like a little far away. So we're going to go here. Alright, so there is our pilot hole for that end. We're going to put a split ring and a swivel to attach our line. Lock it down. We'll come right in here. Now we're just eyeballing this, guys. We're not doing no precise measurements. We're going to eyeball this thing, try to get it centered best we can. Get this pilot hole where we think it should be. I may be wrong, but that's okay too. Looks good. Let's do it. All right, there we go. Take that off. Okay, so we have a 1/16 inch hole. That one looks off a little bit, but yeah, it's okay. All right, so let's change our bits. Now we are going to put in a, I forgot what this bit even is. I think I'm doing a 9/64 is what that is. 9/64. Come in here. Get it tighten on the drill. Same thing. We need to protect this. Keep from scratching it up too bad. Of course, it's going to get scratched up. When these bluefish or whatever start hitting it, it's going to get scratched up. Okay. Let's tighten our vice grips down a little bit. Okay, wrap that back around. Okay, let's try that. All right, there we go. We got a hole here. Looks like it's kind of close to the edge, but I think it'll be all right. You gotta be a tough fish to break that out. All right, let's flip her around. Do the other end. Now the other end is where our swivel's going to go, our split ring and swivel to attach our leader to. We'll clamp her down. Okay. There we go. All right. There you go. All right. Get all that out the way. Okay. So now we have where our hook's going to go here, and where our snap swivel or our split ring and our swivel is going to go. It feels a little rough. Feels a little rough right there. If you guys ever use a drill bit, you know what I'm talking about. So we just come in here and clean that up a little bit. All right. So now we got to get a snap swivel. Or excuse me, we got to get a split ring on each side. So we'll get our split ring tool here. And guys, this is old cheap. I mean, this thing cuts braid really well. And but this is the best one that I've got. And I've got a lot of split ring tools. So we'll do that. Now, I want the fat end at the back. The front end is going to be where the split ring and the swivel goes. So we'll just get that lined up and get it sunk in there, just like so. Spin it on. And give it a little help if we can. And there you go. So you got a split ring on that end. Let's go ahead and put the split ring on the hook end. Alright, so we'll get her lined up. Right there. We'll come in right here. Pop that split ring right in there. Feed it around. And there you go. Now we've got our split rings on each end. Now, like I said, on this end, we're going to put a hook. We're going to put a treble hook on there. So we'll open that up. And we'll grab a treble hook from over here. This is actually a treble hook I took off of a MirrOlure Mirrodin, because I put some inline single hooks on it. So these are brand new hooks. Get it wrapped in there. Twist her around. Bam. There you go. There's our treble hook. Now we're going to put a 65-pound swivel on this end. Grab our swivel, put it on, spin it, spin it, spin it, spin it. There you go. So there you go. That simple. That simple. Now you can do this several ways. You can put a split ring here and just tie your leader directly to it, and then put your swivel up, you know, to where your main line and your leader connect. That'll work too, but I prefer it like this. That easy, guys. That easy to make a homemade spoon. So the next thing to do, we got to take this thing out there and test it, and that will be tomorrow, because me and the kayak, we're going to go try and find some fish. But guys, this is quick, easy. You want gold, you want silver, whatever. I think I bought 6 of these spoons. Cost me $7. They're stainless steel. I didn't do a lot of cleanup, didn't do a lot of nothing on this. I cut it off, I drilled some holes. They don't look perfect, and we'll just see how it does. I mean, hell, it's close. You know, you don't have to be perfect on these things. What these fish are looking for is that flash, that flash, that flash of that thing spinning around is what they're looking for. You know, maybe if this thing works, I might, you know, do a little more to it, but right now, hell, I got a spoon, and it cost me a little over $1. Like I said, I've lost 3 spoons this year, hung up on rocks, and you know, you start getting into these things, it start getting expensive, you know. So like I said, we're going to add some red, like a little teardrop down here. I actually have something I can make this weedless, kinda. You know, it's not going to be weedless with that that big old treble hanging off of it. But yeah, so we'll go out and try it out. I'll do another video on you know, how it performs, let you look at it and see how it swims. Alright guys, thanks so much for joining me. There we go with a little homemade spoon made from this little they call it a dessert spoon or baby spoon. So there you go. Alright guys, thanks so much for joining me. Appreciate you guys. You guys take care of each other, and I'll definitely catch you on the next one.